Are you recording? Okay. Oh. This is harder than it looks, okay? It's so hard not to be cringy. Oh, I hate it. Right. Are you rolling? Oh, okay. It's September. We're back. We brought the RS3 and the Mark 8R, but that's not really the focus today. Although they are going to do bits. I mean, they're much saucier than you last saw them as. We're actually focusing on our customer cars and especially our dealer cars. Ignite Performance Midland VW really kindly sent up some absolutely brilliant Golf specimens with our 4-port kits. And we're going to see how they go today. We're going to do a lot of kind of shakedown on them. They're going to appear at Pod, and you're going to see some really cool times out of them. But for today, it's about having fun, and we'll see how we get on. We'll keep you posted throughout it. Is that all right? Yeah. Happy with that?
Nah. Keep it coming, keep it coming. Come on. There you go. How you doing, little pizza?
So you get a jacket. That's like that thing. It's like, oh noise, nothing. Fucking whoa!
you hear it spooling, nah. Like you can hear it, you're like, it's coming.
Just wait. It'll be worth it.
My God,
you're coming over here because your car's got a spawn on. No!
So I hit the limit on a birthday. Alright, let me try now. Is it true you want 5 days a year?
No comment. Should we be worried right now? Because I am. Are they here to do like, you know, like pull us all over for number plates and shit? Because that's a low blow. They knew exactly where to come for that.
You cut the coach, didn't you? You tell your dad you need to go track in 5 minutes? Yeah, 4 minutes. Okay. That's 11.2.
Yeah, let's leave it on a 9.
By the way, 11.2, 200 mile range. Front, 17 way.
Yeah, man. 15 on that. You put it at 15.
Look at the shine on that bit of silicon, boy.
It can just be like, bah, 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 and then it can just cut instantly to.
I smell spicy.
Hey, that fam, they got a weird picture of you over here, you know. Look at this picture they got of you. Taking a picture? They got a picture of you, look. What are you doing there, bro?
Oh, you dickhead. You're an idiot.
Dan, you want an assistance?
Quite a lot.
There was a time when I used spanners.
No, I just mean...
What?
Did you phone that customer back?
Which one?
You better phone them back.
Oh.